Sheet, Slides and Forms. So Google Doc, it is used to edit and format document easily. So online document formation as well as creation is possible with the Google Docs. Now Google Sheet, it is like a spreadsheet service provided by the Google. Then Google Slide, you can create the presentation through by using Google Slide. So it is presentation making service provided by Google. And Google Form, it is mostly used for the surveys, and so you can send that surveys to the various persons, and they can fill that, and the results can be saved in the Google Drive. So all those Google Doc, Google Sheet, Slides as well as Forms can be used along with the Google Drive. So it is nothing but the service provided by Google for various purposes. So I will show you how to use Google Docs, Sheets, Slides and Forms. So this is our Google Drive. Now here suppose I want to create something Google Docs. So this is nothing but right click and then Google Docs. So Google Docs. So blank document. So you can have the blank document. So here you can type. So it is like Microsoft Word like features. So you can type. So this is nothing but like document, Google document. So here you can have the various styles, like you can say edit. So if suppose you want to change font of it, so you can click and you can change the font. You can increase the font size. You can have the bold, italic, underline, then text color, then center, then many other things are provided, line spacing, then the bullets are available. So many tools are available with the Google Documents. Once this document is created, you can save this document. You can download this document as a Microsoft Word or open document format, rich text format, PDF format, plain. So in any format you can download on your PC, as well as you can share this document directly. So if suppose I want to download Microsoft Word, so click on it. So it is now downloaded. So you can open this, and this is nothing but a copy on your PC, and this is nothing but a copy on the Google Drive. So you can put the title of this document also. Now I am closing this document. So this is document. So you can rename also, rename this document. Instead of that first doc, I will write first doc. Okay. So this is the first doc. So there are various features also. You can right click and you can see, you can open with Google Docs, you can share also, you can move to, you can rename, as well as many means you can download. Also you can remove it. So this is Google document. On the same line you can have Google spreadsheet, that is Google Sheets. So click on that blank spreadsheet. So it is similar to Microsoft Excel. So here you can have various data. Suppose suppose I am writing a serial number, name and age. Suppose this is serial number 1, name is AMM, 12 years. So suppose 2, then DD, then 13. So this is nothing but Excel format. So here you can have various tools like changing of the font. You can change the font, you can change the size, bold, italic, as well as various formulas also. Insert chart, you can insert the chart. So it is a similar like Excel. Now, so this sheet, there are formats, means formatting, then data, then tool, add-ons also available. So this sheet can be shared with many people. So, and if anybody is changing, you can see the changes here. Click on this. Here only I have changed, so that at what time I have changed. So at 20 February 5:49 I have changed something. So whomsoever you are sharing with, so if he change or that person changed a single line, then also it will have the version history. So it will show you who has changed, what are the things changed. Now you can download this sheet by file, download. Excel format, ODS format, PDF format, and many other formats are supported. Version history, name current history, see version history. So many features are provided in the this particular sheet, Google Sheet. Now on the same line, there is one more thing as a Google Slide. So click on this. So right click, new, blank presentation. So it is like a PPT. So those are the presentation themes. You can use those presentation themes for creation of the PPTs. Also you can download it, make a copy, or you can download the Microsoft PPTX. So this is nothing but how we can use the document, sheets, and the presentation. Now one more is Google Forms. So Google Forms, so more, click on more, then Google Forms. So this is nothing but form. You can have the form. If suppose a survey, this is mostly used for survey or questions. Suppose first question is name of name, then what type of, it is short answer. So name is short answer. You can create, add more question. If suppose age of the person, age, then option, the answer you have to put in the short answer because age is short answer. So you can keep it as a compulsory, required, then here also it is required. Then if you add a few more question, if suppose, okay, take age up. Now rate the product. So it is a rating. So it will be linear scale. So linear scale 1 to 5. 1 will be best, suppose best, level 5 is worst. Now is required. Now suppose this is the form, then click on this responses. You can create new spreadsheet. So click on this, create new spreadsheet. Before that I will change the name of this survey. Okay, now click on it. So survey, create. There are two options, create new spreadsheet and select existing. I am creating new, so create it. Okay, created. So you can find this spreadsheet which can which will accept the responses from the survey. Now this survey can be shared. You can send it. So through email you can send. You can have the link. So click on this link, copy it, and send this link. So if you put the link via any form, then whenever the user will open, it will look like this is nothing but survey. So you can put your answer, age, and submit. Once you have that, data will be stored in the sheet which is created. So you can see this is the sheet created for the survey form. So this is how Google Forms can be used. So this is very important tool, and we are using it for our day-to-day life, like a document, sheet, surveys, as well as presentations, as well as forms.